Bueno. So we fixed Mom's flag, and I was doing a 50-hour this morning. And when I do a 50-hour, or when I service the machines in general, I look at all the belts, chains, if there's some. But today I was doing a 50-hour and I discovered this. The tension's off of it right now, but this is your feed accelerator belt, and that is a ticking time bomb. So I don't know if Dad has one or if he's gonna order one, but it's always nice to look at all your belts before they break. In this case, we can go ahead and order that belt and already have it. That way when it breaks, all we have to do is just change it out. So, but other than that, 50 hours are done. All I have to do is put on shields. Whenever John Deere makes a new combine, they should invite me out to approve of their shields. Because this is terrible. It only goes on there perfectly because I have the camera on. I swear that never happens. These shields they're okay. They're not the best. There's a technique you have to do. You have to put that one on first, and then this one, and like slide it over, shut it, and then push this one on. But it could be way simpler. This one's pretty standard. Mom can never get it open half the time, so for short people, I could see how this could be a problem. Now, that shield and this shield, this is ridiculous. They need to totally scrap this and start over. Especially this part. What is this? Like, I'm just picturing, the older generation having to climb up here and manhandle a shield on there. I don't understand. This shield, this one's amazing. You reach in here, lock it, and then it's pretty easy. I like this one. And then of course the side doors. Obviously that's nice. Other than getting dusted out. But yeah, that consists of servicing this morning. I really need to clean my windows. I put Mom's chopper up, and sometimes when you turn on the separator, even though you put it in neutral, it still spins. And it disengages your separator for a safety reason, of course. So to resolve that, we basically have to shove stuff in the chopper to make it not spin. Okay, you can try that. Yeah. That worked. Well, you know me. I found the mud. I'm having flashbacks of South Texas right now. I'm not too sure what was inside the weeds, but they did plant around it. I'm gonna take that as a good sign. There's probably something in the weeds. That's why I left that. On to the next one. The weeds are more dead in this field. Obviously, there's more of them, though. Currently, right now, I'm doing 6 acres an hour. That is like crawling. I'm going 1.5 miles an hour. It's gonna take some time. So we're narrowing down this field. All we have is till there, but it's a mile down, so it's still going to take a little bit, but we are getting there. That's it for that field. We're going to move probably a mile or so down the road here with the headers on. And then we'll start on that one and try to get that one opened up before dark, but the sun is kind of already setting, so I really don't know. I guess one good thing about going down the road is it's attempting to clean off my feeder house, which desperately needs some air. I have so many weeds everywhere that I even have it on my windshield wiper. The field that we just moved to is pretty clean. So when Mom and I get to the end of the field, we're doing turn rows right now, but when we finish the turn rows, we're gonna stop and put our choppers back down and we'll just chop the rest. Mom made a rookie mistake and parked the wrong direction. She's about to get covered up in chaff. Yep, there she goes. She's getting covered up in chaff. Oh, that's funny. I mean, it's boiling off of her tailboard right now. That's funny. And was it a little dusty? Oh man, that's funny. Yeah, that's what she was eating. I laughed. She's gonna dust me out! I gotta run! Oh man. She just wanted payback. That was mean. I see what you did there, dusting me out.
Sorry, there's supposedly no wind, but my face says that's a lie. It's that tailboard cleaner thing that was blowing, right?
Yeah, it's supposed to clean it off. It's doing its job.
It was like, hey, girl, you put your face right here and I'm gonna clean this off.
Oh man.